Right, Google crackers. I want to really drill into your heads the concept of silo structures for your website, because it's just so important that your website is structured in such a format so you're showing Google your relevance for your chosen primary keyword phrase by expanding on the primary keyword phrase topic into subtopics which reinforce what you have primarily talked about regarding your primary keyword phrase. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can structure your website to show your relevance to Google regarding your keyword phrase, your primary keyword phrase. So let's say, for example, I'll pick a subject that everyone should know a little bit about, internet marketing. And let's just say now, for example, our primary keyword phrase that we're targeting is internet marketing. We have done a keyword research We've done our keyword research for the term internet marketing. We've seen it gets a good search volume. We've then used Traffic Travis to analyze the keyword phrase and analyze the competition on the first page of Google, and it's deemed that it's an easy keyword phrase to rank for because the competing sites are not optimizing their websites for what Google wants to see as with regards to relevance and search engine optimization. So now we've gone ahead and purchased the domain name internetmarketing.com, and we're in a position now to start building our website. So we know our primary keyword phrase is internet marketing, so our homepage internetmarketing.com will talk about internet marketing and on a general level just talk about what internet marketing is. Now, when you're building your website, we've talked about your primary keyword phrase and how that will link to another page on your website, which is a subtopic related to your primary keyword phrase, which is effectively expanding on the primary keyword phrase topic. So an expansion of internet marketing would be talking about another big topic related to internet marketing, which is list building, but it clearly comes under the internet marketing umbrella, and that's what we're trying to show here by relevance, guys. And that's why I've also said to you that if you pick a secondary keyword phrase with a lesser search volume than your primary keyword phrase, but it still relates to your primary keyword phrase, then in Google's eyes it almost shows that it's a lesser term and that you're branching out into subtopics of lesser search terms, but effectively are within under the same umbrella of your primary keyword phrase page. I hope that makes sense, guys, but you can see here that my primary keyword phrase is internet marketing. My secondary keyword phrase is list building, so my internet marketing page will connect to a page related to list building, and that will further break down and expand on list building with a subtopic of the fastest way to build an email list. And that page here, my tertiary keyword page, would link back with an anchor text link all the way back up to my primary keyword phrase page, which is my home page based on internet marketing, my primary keyword phrase. Now these 3 pages in this silo structure here actually link together with something that we called anchor text, and all anchor text is effectively is say for example my primary keyword page is internet marketing. It's just a clickable web link at the bottom of the page that links to the page list building. So from this page here we would click the link and it would link over to this page list building and redirect us to the list building page. And why isn't an anchor text link and not just a web link? Well, because anchor text is what we are actually effectively doing is taking a piece of text and making it into a clickable piece of text. So you know, like you see those bits of text that says click here and you'll get redirected to the page. That's exactly what's happening. Behind those words click here is the actual website URL for whichever page the continuing page that you're being redirected to is. So in the case here of internet marketing connecting to the page list building, at the bottom of this page internet marketing there will be an anchor text link using the word list building or the phrase list building. So if at the bottom of this page you see the word list building, you would click that link and that would bring you to the list building page. And continuing on from that, at the bottom of the list building page, they will be the words fastest way to build an email list. And if you click those words, you'll be able to see that they're a clickable link. It will link back to our primary homepage, which is internetmarketing.com, which is our primary keyword phrase. And what that does is just shows the relevance, and it effectively shows that we're branching off and we're not just talking, our website isn't just one page talking about internet marketing. We are a website, a niche website talking about internet marketing and branching off into the subtopics and expanding on the primary keyword phrase topic using these subtopics here to reinforce what we've already spoken about in our primary keyword phrase homepage. And that really shows is a really fantastic way to show your relevance to Google. In the next video, I'm actually going to take you through the website that we're actually building throughout the Google Cracker course and show you exactly how the site links together following the silo structure diagram that you've got in your Google Cracker course a few pages back from where this video is placed. Okay, now so this is what we've done in the Google Cracker course. I've shown you how to create a primary keyword homepage. In this case, it's based around the keyword internet marketing, and that branches on into a subtopic called list building, and that branches on to a next subtopic, a tertiary subtopic, which is fastest way to build an email list. And you see how these all relate under the same umbrella, and that links back to the home page to close the silo. Now, you know, the way you design your silos is completely up to you, as long as it follows the concept of relevance and the umbrella of relevance, as in lesser and lesser relevance and expanding on the relevance of the previous term. So in this case here, we've got internet marketing as our primary keyword homepage phrase, and then we branch down into search engine optimization, and we further branch down to off-page search engine optimization, and on the left side here we branch down onto on-page search engine optimization. So you see how we've branched down to a subtopic here, and then we've expanded and branched into two subtopics instead of one like we did here. And the reason I've picked this style here for the Google Cracker course is because it works, guys. When you're targeting just a single keyword phrase as your primary keyword phrase that you're targeting, you know, to follow just 3 pages, you've seen how I can rank for over 800 terms just following this structure here. So it does work, but this also works where you can branch down into keyword phrases here, and then you could even branch these down into further keyword phrases. But as long as these link back, so whichever the end page is here in your silo structure would link back now to the primary home page. Let me just change the color here. So if this was the last page in the silo structure, this page here would link back to our home page with the anchor text link for our home page keyword. So in this case, at the bottom of this page would be the words internet marketing, and if you click those words, you would link back to your primary home page. And on the same side here, the same thing would happen, and would also link back to our primary homepage here. Okay, guys, and you could even link here, this page here, to your off-page SEO page as well, to further complete the cycle. As long as it all links back eventually to your homepage, that's the key thing here, because that will complete the cycle and create a really good silo for your site. I mean, if you think of why I say there's no set way to do this, I mean, I'll give you an example of one site that you see everywhere, which is ranking all over the place for all kinds of keywords. And which is that site? That site is Wikipedia. And if you head to any of the Wikipedia pages, you will see links for practically every word on the page will link to a sub page based around that keyword phrase. For example, in actual fact, we'll go to a Wikipedia page now and I'll show you that live. Right, guys, I've just opened up a Wikipedia page for online advertising. And as you can see here, the text starts, and I'll just zoom in a little bit closer so you can actually see that properly, if I can. Okay, now you can see here, look, it's talking here. Now we've got a link here, a clickable anchor text link going to display advertising, and that links to a display advertising page, and that links to several other pages, and you can see how complex the linking structure can get. But generally, as long as it all links back, so I click the web banner anchor text and that goes to the web banner page. So now you should understand exactly how that works and how you can link in these different pages together, and how linking the on-page SEO page to something relevant in there, off-page SEO, would also work. And as long as this page here links back to our home page, the main keyword phrase we're trying to rank for, that will complete the silo and allow you to rank and show Google that you carry a high level of relevance for your primary keyword phrase, and you will be rewarded with high rankings for that. Now the next silo structure on the page we can see here is a link from internet marketing homepage to affiliate marketing, which then links down to affiliate merchants. So affiliate marketing, we could talk about affiliate marketing here, what affiliate marketing actually is, and the fact that you get to market other people's products. You don't have to worry about anything really other than bringing leads to the sales page, and then every sale that was made you would take a commission off. And then we could sublink that to affiliate merchant, which would talk about all the different places where you could get different products, and then we could sublink that to a page on the best affiliate merchant, and that page, the end page in our silo, would then link back to our primary homepage once again, which is featuring the main keyword phrase that we would like to rank for, and that would link back. So at the bottom of this page there'll be a link, an anchor text link with the words internet marketing, and if you click the word internet marketing it would link back to our primary homepage based on the keyword phrase internet marketing. Right guys, I hope you understand now how your site should be structured as a silo. And what we're going to do now is, we talked about this anchor text links linking from one page to another. So I'm going to go to the site live now, the one we're creating throughout the Google Cracker course. And you can actually see the anchor text working live, and I'll show you exactly how to create an anchor text link as well, because you really need to get these fundamentals down before we move on. Right, Google Crackers, this is the finished website that I'm going to go through the whole process of how exactly I built it and put it together. It's very, very easy, simple steps. Now, I'm just showing you this site so I can talk about the anchor text links, because you need to learn about this properly now before we move on to actually building the site and putting it together. And so if I just scroll down my page now, you can see how I've put the site together, and you will be building your site to look exactly like this. Well, not exactly like this one, but it will follow the same template basically. So it will look pretty much nice and clean like this one, and I'll show you how to put all the banners in and how to add images, how to optimize it for on-page search engine optimization, and we'll scroll down to the one. Now, if you looked at the silo structure of this website in the Google Cracker course, which you would have just read about silos now, you'll see that my primary keyword page, my home page here, optimizes for the keyword phrase Prosperity Team Empower Network. And the next page, that my secondary keyword page, which is going to be used to reinforce my primary page. So I'm really targeting this keyword, but I have put two additional pages in, which is my secondary keyword phrase page, which is Make Money with Empower Network, and a tertiary keyword phrase page, which is Join Empower Network for free. Okay, so if we come down to the bottom of the page here, you'll see right at the bottom here, I've put some banners in. You'll see here I've written in related posts, how do you make money with Empower Network? Now these last five words here, make money with Empower Network, are a clickable hyperlink. These words here are not clickable. Then click here, you've got the little symbol there, so I can click through here and leave the page, and it redirects me to the page Make Money with Empower Network. I mean, there's no content here yet, I'm going to put that in shortly, but if we look at the top here and look at the URL, we can see that my domain name ends now, the page ends with Make Money with Empower Network, which is the keyword phrase for this page. Now we talked previously about the keyword phrase for your domain name, the main one we're targeting, how we wanted to get an exact match as close as possible. Well, with the page names, because we own the domain, we will always be able to get the exact match. And what we do per word that we write in, if our keyword phrase is Make Money with Empower Network, we just put a little dash in between each words when you set the permalinks. Okay, and I'll show you shortly how to set the permalinks there and how to get the exact words in here for our page. So it just shows Google again our relevance, that this page is even named after our keyword phrase. So it shows the relevance for that keyword phrase in Google and how you can optimize for it. Now the third page in our silo, I have put that one in. It says related posts, learn how you can join Empower Network for free, and that's our tertiary keyword phrase, join Empower Network for free. And if I click that, it goes to my Join Empower Network for free page, and as you can see I haven't added content to that page yet either. And if we look at the top here at the page name, you can see the permalink here is my domain name, prosperityteamempowernetwork.com, and my page is called Join Empower Network for free. It matches exactly in the same way we try to match our domain name, because it takes the same principle. If Google sees the page is the exact keyword phrase, it will think it's exactly targeted and relevant for that keyword phrase, and will reward us with high rankings. And to end our silo now, we will link back to our home page, and it says click here to go back to our home page, and you can see the keyword phrase here, Prosperity Team Empower Network. And so that links back to our home page, prosperityteamempowernetwork.com. So I'll just click that there, and we're back at the home page, and that concludes the silo. And you've just seen there how the anchor text works and how it uses the name of the next page, so the next keyword phrase. So if this is my primary phrase, keyword phrase page, at the bottom would be a link to my secondary keyword phrase page using the keyword phrase of my secondary keyword page as the anchor text to link from one page to another. Right, I hope that makes sense. Now I'm actually going to show you how to create an anchor text link. Right, I'm in my WordPress back office page editor, and you're going to learn a lot more about how to use this like a proper expert in stage 6. But for now, we'll just talk about the anchor text link. Now you can see at the bottom of my page here, I've got related posts. Then here I've got the words Make Money with Empower Network, which is the keyword phrase I want to link to my secondary keyword page, which is prosperityteam.com Make Money with Empower Network. So how I would do that is first I would highlight the words that I want to be clickable through to the next page. Then I click this little button here that looks a little bit like a paperclip, the hyperlink button. I click that, and it asks me to enter a destination URL. So then what I'd do is I would have already created this page as a secondary page, and I'll show you how to do that as well in stage 6. So I create that as a blank page, and just so I can get this URL here, and I take the URL, I copy it, then I go back into my WordPress editor and paste that URL into this box here. So that's my linking page now, and I'll add the link there. And you see now that's changed into a clickable link. And if I view the page now, we can see that clickable link right at the bottom of the page there. So Make Money with Empower Network is now a clickable link which clicks through to my secondary keyword phrase page. And there we go, there it is. So I hope you understand now what anchor text is and exactly how to create it as well, and how anchor text is used to link from pages to pages. And it's called anchor text because you are linking from a page with text effectively. If it was just a web address, it would be a URL link to another page. If we just pop this address here at the bottom of our primary keyword page, that will just be our URL
link to the next page, but we have created an anchor text link, which means the words behind the words "make money with Empower Network" is really this URL here, which links to this page, and that's what anchor text is, guys. Okay, so I hope that's clear to you now, and you understand exactly what anchor text is. You understand exactly how you're going to be building your website with a home page which is based around your primary keyword phrase, which links into a page which is optimized for your secondary keyword phrase, which is a related keyword term, and that will then link onto your tertiary keyword page, which is also a related keyword term, and the last page in your silo, the tertiary keyword page, would link back to the primary home page, prosperityteamempowernetwork.com, or whichever your domain name is. Okay guys, so that's silos and anchor text to link silos together, and why they are so critically important to show your relevance to Google, that your site is not just relevant for your keyword on your page, but it also has related topics and subjects and pages related to your keyword, reinforcing the authority of your main keyword page.